Ricotta nudi with brown butter. We're gonna start with Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put a little bit of flour. I'm not gonna put it all yet.
Great.
Depends on this, which is the ricotta's wetness. So I've strained it in a strainer. You get really good ricotta. Dump that right in there. Here's water and eggs.
Stop it.
Yes,
It's only yolk and white.
I strain it, and any excess water drips out. You see all the water coming out of there? Now we have a delicious base, salt and pepper generously. Does anybody know what this is?
Nutmeg.
Okay, so we're just gonna mix all this up. Look at that. No. So I just have a sheet pan here with a little flour on it, and then we're just gonna put a little flour on our hands, like that. You take a piece and roll. You can roll these as big as you want, as little as you want. It really doesn't matter. I like them kind of on the small side. That's it. I like these to sit in the refrigerator to get a little skin on them of flour. It's really important to get flour on them, the outside, more on than the inside, because the inside will get, chewy. Look, they're not all the same. It's fine. A little flour on top. We've not, over-mixed it. You can put this in a blender or a mixer. I don't recommend it. Just do it by hand. It's more fun.
Nothing wrong
So
with that.
these are going to cook incredibly quick. So I'm actually going to start the brown butter first, and we're going to put butter in, like that. And into this butter, we're going to put a little sage.
Oh, wow.
Fresh sage. And we're just gonna let it hang out there. That's it, nothing more. We're gonna keep an eye on it, all right? Remember, the water is 212, very heavily salted. If you throw them all in at once, it kind of takes more time for it to recover the heat. So you see it starting to brown on the edges here? Now we're just gonna hit it with some lemon.
Oh, whoopa!
Stand to the side and put it off. Now it's gonna sit at that level of brown. All right, look at this. Beautiful, all floating on their own. Into the butter.
And it's okay if you get a little pasta water in there.
Fine.
You want that, right?
Fine.
The butter and the water is making this sauce.
I'm actually gonna add a touch more lemon, a little pepper.
My mouth's watering.
I like to serve it just like this. This is fried sage and fried caper,
Oh, yeah, sure.
Pecorino Romano, or Parmesan, or both. And there you have it.
This looks amazing.